These two AI giants dominate online conversations in 2025. But which one will actually transform your workflow? On the left, ElevenLabs, state-of-the-art AI voice generation and cloning. And on the right, Perplexity AI, the reasoning search engine trusted for lightning-fast answers. Let's skip the hype and compare what really matters. Each feature gets scored, so you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. And the winner? It might surprise you. So, here's the plan. Let's look at all the key categories side by side. We'll check out core focus, use cases, content style and interaction, performance and recognition, platform and integrations, pricing and accessibility, and finally, popularity and reviews. Picture a mind map with all these branches, because that's how we're going to tackle this comparison. All right, starting off with core focus. ElevenLabs is, well, the name in AI voice generation. They're making voices so realistic that, honestly, sometimes you forget it's even AI. You find yourself wondering, wait, is this a real person? But here's the catch. It's all about speech. They're not here for Q&A or text analysis. Now, Perplexity, flip the script. It's all about digging up facts, answering questions, and backing it up with sources you can actually check. No fancy voices, but it'll give you straight-up verified info. So both are awesome in their lane, but honestly, they're not trying to beat each other at what the other does best. I gotta call it, this one's a tie. Moving on to use cases. ElevenLabs goes wild if you need text-to-speech, voice cloning, or want to turn your screenplay into an audiobook. Seriously, dubbing, podcasts, narration, this is their playground. But if you're thinking of anything outside audio, it's pretty limited. Don't expect it to draft research papers for you. Now, Perplexity is amazing for stuff like extracting data, summarizing articles, or, analyzing complicated documents, but all in text. No audio tricks here. So if your life runs on voice, ElevenLabs is literally built for you. It blows past Perplexity here. Winner? Easy. It's ElevenLabs. Okay, let's talk content style and interaction. ElevenLabs is super detailed. Think technical, citation-rich, which is great if you want accurate VO for something nerdy or complex. But the downside? It can get a bit stiff. And since it's audio-based, interaction isn't really a thing beyond playing the voice. Perplexity? The vibe is totally different. Answers feel conversational, super user-friendly, and it's awesome for step-by-step guides. If you want quick FAQs or a breakdown, Perplexity's got you. Only catch, sometimes it keeps it a little too simple for hardcore technical deep dives. So yeah, if you want something that feels like you're chatting with a smart friend, Perplexity, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that ElevenLabs voices are so realistic, people honestly get fooled into thinking it's a real person? And Perplexity, wild fact, can basically chew through 100-page reports and spit out a summary in seconds. If that's not peak 2025 AI, what is? Up next, performance and recognition. ElevenLabs is the big deal in accuracy for technical or scientific voice work. So many media companies and researchers lean on it for that credible sound. Downsides? Well, getting the most out of it takes a bit of expertise. On Perplexity's side, it's all about transparency, source-backed answers, recognized not just by users, but also in research and journalism circles. But sure, sometimes depth is hit or miss, depending on what sources are out there. Honestly, both are powerhouses. If you're after reliability, either will serve you well. I'm going to call this one a tie. Now, platform and integrations. ElevenLabs gives you an API if you're a developer, and apps for iOS and Android so you can generate voices on the go. But I'll be real. Not much focus on importing documents or working as a team. Perplexity wins here. Browser-based lets you dump in Word files, PDFs, Excel sheets, and create collections to keep big projects organized. Plus, it hooks right into research workflows. Only real downside for Perplexity? No audio manipulation. So if you want to geek out as a solo creator, ElevenLabs is nice, but for day-to-day teamwork and doc analysis, Perplexity takes it. So for pricing and accessibility, ElevenLabs gives you a free tier, which is awesome if you're just testing waters. Paid plans are there too, but honestly, prices can climb fast if you're cranking out lots of voice files. It's not a budget research engine by any means. Perplexity draws you in with generous free usage, pro plans that don't break the bank, like around $20 a month, and students, journalists, businesses, all kinds of folks get value out of it. Of course, push it hard on advanced stuff and you'll pay more. Still, for most users, Perplexity's flexibility is tough to beat. So yeah, this one goes to Perplexity. Last up, Popularity and reviews. ElevenLabs is like S tier for anyone in synthetic speech. Voice actors, media, film, they all rave about its quality. But it's kinda niche next to those big, flashy AI tools. Perplexity is a daily driver for tons of users, often replacing Google for search. And honestly, it sits right beside ChatGPT as an essential. The only holdup? Not relevant if you're doing audio or video. In sheer mainstream appeal, though, Perplexity comes out on top. All right, so imagine this. Both tools have their own sweet spots. On a radar chart, you'd see ElevenLabs spiking hard in anything voice or audio, straight to the top. Perplexity lights up for research depth, citation, integration, and general usability. When you look at the patterns, you'll see where each one knocks it out of the park. Here's the bottom line. If you want anything to do with audio, voice, narration, go straight for ElevenLabs. But if you're all about digging up facts, doing research, or just want quick, trustworthy answers, Perplexity is your guy. Honestly, a lot of super users actually combine both. You get crisp narration and powerhouse search. That's the modern content workflow. If you like smart AI tips and hacks, you should totally check out both these tools for yourself. Give them a spin and take your workflow to the next level. Trust me, it's worth it.